Are you tired of scrolling through the Windows Start menu, looking for apps? Is your Windows taskbar overloaded with pinned shortcut items? Do you have a cluttered Windows desktop, full of shortcuts to favorite programs, drives, documents, and folders? There's a simple solution for a cluttered Windows desktop. And it's called xBar for Windows. With xBar, organizing your desktop is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, create a new category by clicking on the Managed Categories button, then select the Add Category menu item from the drop-down menu, type in a name, and finally, click on the Save button. Second, select the files, folders, or shortcuts to include in the new category and drag and drop them onto the Shortcuts Widgets list box. You can reposition a shortcut by holding down the Shift key and left-clicking while dragging it up or down. Third, reselect the shortcuts on the desktop and drag them to the recycle bin. With the Drives and Folders widget, creating and storing links to your favorite or most used folders is easy. Simply switch to the third tab, drag and drop the folders you need quick access to, and you're all set. You can reposition a folder shortcut by holding down the Shift key and left-clicking while dragging it up or down. Next, reselect the folder shortcuts on the desktop and drag them to the recycle bin. With xBar, you can say goodbye to your overloaded taskbar. xBar automatically creates the Pinned Taskbar Shortcuts category, which contains all the shortcuts pinned to your taskbar. Editing the Pinned Taskbar Shortcuts category, or any other category, is a breeze with the Shortcuts widget. You can quickly rename or change its sort order to suit your workflow. You can even change the sort order by clicking on the Manage Categories button and selecting the Sort pop-up menu item. Now you can unpin all of those apps taking up valuable space and have a cleaner, more organized taskbar. Visit gdiObjects.com and download the fully functional 30-day trial of xBar for Windows.